Hello kitty everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm not gonna make any craft or any sewing. I will just clean up my 3 fan that I always used alternately, and I am gonna show you guys on how I clean up my fan. So guys, come join with me and let's get started. And guys, I have here a basin, 2 basins. This one is for first, this one has soap on it, and this one is a clean water. And also I have a dry cloth down there, this one for drying off my fan after I washed it from this soapy water and this clean water. So guys, I'll be starting now, and I'll be using also a special oil for my fan after I clean up together with the cotton. And guys, I will be showing to you later on how am I gonna do it. And this one, guys, I cannot remove this anymore here because it's too tight. I cannot twist it, so I'll just do it. Okay. And it's here. See this here, okay? This is the second one. Also this cord. I'll be using this one right now, right, to create. Already done with this one, so it's already done. So now it's already done. This, and I will wash this one in the kitchen. So guys, come, let's go there in the kitchen. Guys, I already cleaned up this one, the cover of the fan. So now this is how I'm gonna do it. Actually guys, this is for my hair. This is for my hair actually. So I'll just take a little bit from here to protect my fan from rusting, you know. Just put it here a little bit to prevent it from rusting. Because I just washed it, the rust will easily, penetrate the metal if I don't put a little bit oil on it. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna put it back. So guys, I put a mark on it, white color. As you can see, there's a white mark in here so that I can always put this one up, because sometimes I can see which one is down and which one is up. So I just simply put on a mark in it. So that's it, guys. So better when you do have your fan like this, you better lock it firmly. Otherwise, when it's already rotating, it will just, explode or something. So this is it, guys. So my first fan is already finished, and I have another 2 fan to clean up. So guys, let's do it. So guys, this is the second fan that I'm going to clean. So I already removed the screw behind it. So there's a screw behind it here, see, and this is it. And this is, I'm going to clean now this industrial fan. They call it industrial fan. So the same process as the other one. So this one can remove. This can remove. So I clean this every 3 days. And so just that. And this one, spoil. Put this in here. See, this one. So oil it. This one. Okay. And this. Now guys, I'm going to put this one back. So this is guys. So I'll put it here. And put with this screw. See the screw? There. And put it here. I'll be using the scissor for a screwdriver. I don't have screwdriver. I feel lazy to take my screwdriver, so I'll be using the scissor. So it's already firm and locked properly. See? And now I'm going to put that the cover. This is a little bit. And yeah, so this is done. Done cleaning, and I am going to put the last fan that I have here. And I'll be putting it aside. And this is the last one. Okay? So earlier, the first one, and this is my last fan. So I already cleaned up this one already finished. So now I'm going to put the upper back. It's already done. And this is it. These are my 3 fans that I already cleaned up. So this one is the first one I cleaned, and that one is the second one, and this is the third last one. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you guys, and bye.